good morning. This is Teacher Marvin, your English teacher. How are you today? All right, very good. I knew you're excited to see me here again. So anyway, let's start with our lesson this morning. And I want everybody to please focus and listen carefully. And please avoid those unnecessary activities, okay? So that's it. So we have here, let me share with you my PowerPoint. And now here. So welcome to English program of the primary one. And our subject this morning is mathematics. And what is our topic this morning? Our topic this morning is about place and digit value. My objective this morning is for you to be able to know how to determine, know, and write who is the place value and who is the digit value. But before that, let's have a reading for our vocabulary. Okay, so all you have to do is you have to listen first because Teacher Marvin will read the word twice and then you have to repeat right after me. Is it okay? Very good. Now, let's have the reading here. Our first word is number. Number. Everybody say number. Very good. Now, our second word is place value. Place value. Everybody say place value. That's right. And then our last word is digit value. Digit value. Everybody say digit value. Okay, very good. Now, before we will start to our new lesson this morning, let's have a review. And then yesterday, you able to learn in mathematics. Who among you can remember what have you learned yesterday? Anyone? All right, that's it. So yesterday, you able to know how to identify who is the ones and who is the tens in a particular given number. Right, so here on your screen, you can see we have here a number 12, and that is 1 and 2. But who is the ones and who is the tens? Okay, this is only a review. Okay, we have here the two red arrows, and then 1 and 2. And number 1 represent as the tens, and number 2 represent as ones. Can you remember now? Okay, very good. So 1 is tens and the number 2 is ones. Okay, let's have another. Okay, on your screen, you can see the number 15. Who is the ones and who is the tens? The number 1 is the tens, and the number 5 is our ones. Okay, so that's it. Number 1 is a tens, and number 5 is ones. Okay, let's have another here. In this picture, you can see we have here the 3 PC, or we have 3 computer, 3 monitor rather, I say. So on the top of our monitor, you can see there is a number 14, and there is a tens and ones. So let us identify who is the tens and who is the ones. In this given number, number 14, who is the ones? And you answered yesterday, the ones is number 4. That's right. And our tens is number 1. Okay, that's very easy. All right. So let's have another example. Okay, so what is our given number? The given number is number 17. And who is the ones? Our ones is number 7, right? And our tens is number 1. You see that? So 7 in 17, 7 is our ones and 1 is our tens. Okay, another one. We have number 18. Number 18 is a given number. And who is the ones and who is the tens? So 8 is our ones and 1 is our tens. Again, 8 is our ones and 1 is our tens. Okay? Okay, let's have another. We have number 19 and 1 is our tens and 9 is our ones. Okay, so this time, let's start with our new lesson this morning. And this morning, you're able to know what is number and what is place value and what is digit value. Okay, let me give you some example in these particular words. Okay, let's start with number. Everybody say number. Again, number. Very good. So I know you love mathematics. I know you love numbers. So we have here number 19. So 1 and 9 is a number. Okay? Number 9 is number. And 1 is also a number. So that's very easy. Number. Everybody say number. Very good. Let's have another example. Number. Everybody say number. Okay. We have 1 and 0. 0 is also a number. And 1 is also a number. Okay, so number. All right, now what is place value? Now we are now entering to our new words for you. I know this is unfamiliar for you, so please listen carefully. So when we say place value, what does it mean? In a place value, it is the value given to the position of a digit in a number. Again, when we say place value, it is a value given to the position of a digit in a number. So when we say place value, what does it mean? Number, we have here the given number, which is number 19. But what is the connection of the place value to the number 19? Now, we have here, number 9 is what we call ones. Again, number 9 is what we call ones. And what is number 1? I mean, how about the number 1? All right, if number 9 is ones, therefore, the number 1 is our tens. So that is place value. Again, when we say place value, it refers to a value given to the position of a digit number. All right, so again, when we say place value, it is a value given to the position of a digit in a number. As what I have said earlier, 9 is our ones and 1 is our tens. All right? Okay, let's have another example for the place value. Okay, we have here the given number, which is 15. 1 and 5 is a number. But how about the place value of each number? Okay, let's start with the number 5. So number 5 is our ones. Number 5 is our ones, and number 1 is our tens. All right? Again, number 5 is our ones, and number 10, and number 1 rather is our 10. So that is place value. Now let's proceed to a digit value. What does it mean when we say digit value? Okay, so when we say digit value, it refers to a given number who is looking for from the number which is identified from the place value. So that is a digit value. So therefore, when we say digit value, it refers to only a number, not by the name by itself as a place value. Okay, so take note that digit value is different from the place value. Okay, so digit value, all right, so number 8 is, all right, what happened here? It should be. All right, when we say digit value, it refers to a number, but as you can see, there is a technical error instead of 8. All right, so another one. Okay, let's proceed to another example of a digit value. So what is the digit value from our given number, which is number 13? So the digit value of 3 is, of course, okay, so that's that. All right, so let's start with, let's do have another example here. I'll show you a numbers here, and this is what we call a flashcard. And I want everybody to please look at here in my screen. There we go. So here, all right, so this is number 12. All right, so I put here the number 12 is here. Okay, so again, on our board, we have number, we have place value, and we have a digit value. Okay, so let us identify who is the place value and who is the digit value. Okay, so we have here two numbers. So we have here number 12 and we have here number 15. Okay, so this is the number. Now, who is the place value and who is the digit value? Okay, so Teacher Marvin will underline the word. Okay, this is the number 1. All right, so we have here the underlined word, number 1. So what is the place value of 1? What is the place value of number 1? So the place value of number 1 is tens. All right. So what is the digit value of this number? If tens is the digit value, is the place value rather, so what is the digit value of tens? So that is number 1. All right? That's very easy. All right, how about here? Our underlined word is number 5. Though the number is number 15, but the underlined number is 5. Now, what is the place value of 5? The place value of 5 is Once, very good. How do we write the word once? That is O-N-E-S. Once. Okay, how about the digit value of ones? What is the digit value of ones? And that is number 5. The digit value of ones is 5. Very good. Now, let's have another example. So, I hope you understand very well how to identify and how to determine who is the digit value and who is the place value. All right. So, what number is this? This is number. Very good. It's number 10. So we have to write here. And then another one. What number is this? This is number 20. Okay, very good. Now, what is our underlying number? So our underlying number is 0. And we have 2. Now, our given number is 10. So we are looking for the place value. And our underlying number in number 10 is 0. But what is the place value of 0? That is very good. It's ones. And how about the digit value of number 10? If our place value is ones, then what is the digit value of ones? That is 0. Very good. Now, here in number 20. So what is the place value of 20? Since our underlying number is 2. So what is the place value of number 2? Very good. It's tens. All right. So how about our digit value? So what is the digit value of 20? Since the underlying number is 2. So number 2 is our digit value. Very good. All right, another one. What number is this? Very good. It's number 14. So let's put here. And what number is this? It's number 13. Very good. So let's put here. Now, so our underlying number in number 14 is 4. And our underlying number here is number 3. Okay, question. What is the place value of number 4? Is it ones or tens? Very good. It's ones. 4 is the ones. And what is the digit value of number 4 in a given number, which is 14? If the place value is ones, and what is the digit value of ones? And that is number 4. Very good. All right, proceed to another example. We have here number 13. All right. So number 13 is our given number. But what is the place value? What is the place value of number 13? And the underlying number is 3. And 3 stands for, very good, it's ones. And what is the digit value of ones in a given number, which is 13? So since our underlying number is 3, so therefore, the digit value of ones is 3. Okay, so that is our digit value and place value. Okay, let's do a last example. This is what number? Very good. It's number 19. And this is number 16. Very good. So let's do it here. So in our given number, 19 and 16, let us underline the number. Okay, in number 19, we have number 1 is the underlying number. In number 16, the underlying number is 6. Okay, now let us identify who is the place value and who is the digit value in our given number. So our first example here is the number 19. So the underlying number is 1. And another one, number 16. Our underlying number is number 6. Now, question, who is the place value or what is the place value of the underlying number 1? Is it ones or tens? Very good. It's tens. Okay. Now, what is the digit value of tens? And our underlying number is 1. And digit value is 1. Now, how about the number 16? Our underlying number is number 6. 6 is what place value? The place value of number 6 is very good. It's ones. And what is the digit value of 6? What is the digit value of ones? It's number, that's right, it's number 6. So this is how you identify, determine who is the place value, what is the digit value. Always remember that when we say place value, it is a value given to the position of a digit in a number. Okay? So if you know how to determine the place value, then it's very easy for you to know what is the digit value. Okay, so before we will end our lesson, this morning, let's do have a recap. Everybody say number. Very good. Place value. That's right. And digit value. There you go. All right, so I hope you enjoyed with our lesson this morning in mathematics. So later on, we will have another class in science. Okay, so thank you so much for having here with our lesson. Okay, so this is Teacher Marvin, your English teacher. Sawadee Kap and bye-bye.